Hello friends, welcome to Educational Living. Let's fly with success. Today is 22 June 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 22 June. So let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. First question was Air Venti app is launched in which city? Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata. The correct answer here is option A, Mumbai. In Mumbai, Air Venti app is launched. Okay. So our second question was KP Sachidanandan passed away. He was related to which field? Politics, sports, film production, acting. The correct answer here is option C, film production. KP Sachidanandan passed away and he is related to film production. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. Our first question is International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June, 20 June, 19 June, 18 June. The correct answer here is option A, 21 June. Okay. I hope you all celebrated the International Yoga Day. Okay. And on June 21, International Yoga Day is celebrated, and the theme of 2020 is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Yoga for Health and Yoga at Home is the theme of International Yoga Day, and it is observed since 2015. It is observed since 2015. Next question. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the Forbes real-time billionaires list? 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. The correct answer here is option C, 9th. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani evaluated into the list of the world's 10 richest person according to the Forbes real-time billionaires list, having 64.6 billion. Okay, having 64.6 billion. He is now in top 10 richest person in rank 9. Okay, next question. Which institute has developed an automated long ultrasound for COVID-19 screening and monitoring? IIT Palakkad, IIT Tirupati, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bombay. Correct answer here is option A, IIT Palakkad. Recently, IIT Palakkad developed an automated long ultrasound for COVID-19 screening and monitoring. एक ultrasound system is developed in IIT Palakkad to screening and monitoring the COVID-19. Okay, next question. Question number 4. When is National Reading Day is observed? 18 June, 19 June, 20 June, 21st June. The correct answer here is 19 June. Option B is correct here. Okay, National Reading Day observed on 19 June. The celebration is marked in the honor of the father of the library movement, late P.N. Panikkar. P.N. Panikkar is the father of library movement. So, to remember him, on June 19, National Reading Day is observed. Next question. Who has launched antiviral drug Favipiravir for treatment of COVID-19 patient? Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Sun Pharma, Cadila Healthcare, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Okay, recently Glenmark Pharmaceuticals got approval to produce Favipiravir for treatment of COVID-19 patients. Okay, recently the Favipiravir is also known as Faviflu. Faviflu. It is available in the market in some weeks. Okay. Next question. Who will take charge as chairman of the National Institute of Public Finance and Policy (NIPFP)? Urjit Patel, Raghuram Rajan, Bimal Jalan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Urjit Patel. Former RBI Governor Urjit Patel will take charge as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. Okay, NIPFP. He replaced Vijay Kelkar. Vijay Kelkar he replaced, and now he is the chairman of NIPFP. Okay, next question. Who has released a report titled The Impact of COVID-19 on Food and Security and Nutrition? UNESCO, FAO, WHO, World Bank. The correct answer is option B, FAO. Food and Agricultural Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization recently released a report titled The Impact of COVID-19 on Food and Security and Nutrition. Okay, the headquarters of the FAO is in Rome, okay, Rome, Italy, okay, and the it is founded in the FAO is founded in 1945, 16 October 1945. Okay, next question. An annual solar eclipse, popularly known as Ring of Fire eclipse, was visible on which day? It is visible on option B, June 21. On International Yoga Day, an annular solar eclipse, popularly known as Ring of Fire eclipse, was seen. Okay. Next question. Amazon and Alibaba backed Big Basket have got approval to deliver liquor in which of the following state? Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand. Your correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Recently, West Bengal government give permission to Amazon and Alibaba backed Big Basket to deliver liquor online. Okay, and West Bengal is in news. The capital is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee and Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the Governor of West Bengal. Okay. Last question of the today's session. Which country recently appealed to the public to download a new smartphone app to break the chain of coronavirus? Germany, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. The correct answer here is option A, Germany. Okay. Recently, Germany government appealed to the public to download a new smartphone app to break the chain of coronavirus. Okay. The app name is COVID-1 F. COVID-1 F. Okay. The capital of the Germany is Berlin. Capital is Berlin. Currency is Euro. And Frank-Walter Steinmeier is the president. President of Germany is Frank-Walter Steinmeier. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Please try to answer more and more. Okay. First question is, the government has decided to establish how many Khelo India center across the country? First question. Second question is, who has launched Satyabama portal in June 2020? Okay. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby you can got the many more information and try to share as much as you can. Thank you so much.